Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project actually stores end-to-end verifiable online e-voting, adding the verifiability to establish the voting system. Our project abstract is voting is a central component of the country political lifestyle, the privacy, authentication, and the integrity of the citizen votes. The data considering estimate of the any e-voting program. In our resolve that the consumers, we have the proposed stable e-voting system, principle of blockchain and machine learning algorithm. We are using the blockchain to ensure that the security of voting data model to the intrusion in the voting data center on the e-voting station. In proposed model, we have concept of the personal and public based on the blockchain. The personal blockchain uses the purpose of the voter registration and the voting system. The public blockchain based on the integration of personal data of the voter by storing that the root has derived from the pre-renewable results. So the voting station, soon as the voting process is completed, after we can move on to the blockchain technology. After the transportation and computation and prevention based on the exchange network. Our project flow chart is admin based on the first e-voting center persons. First run the server. Admin open the user ID and password and open the server. After the voter will be include the login page. Login means we have the first the voter will be registered after the login. The register means we getting the voter ID data after applying the data for the enter the vote registration process. Registration process is completed, the vote will be deducted. The deducted means which party we have input the vote. So after the vote data, everything is saving to the Excel file. After the Excel, we can move on that the encryption decryption process using blockchain technology. After finally we have the decrypted result and then we have calculated the performance analysis. First we have run the Anaconda spider tool and open the home page. So admin wise we have login the admin and password. So after the login page, so run the server, go to that home page, the voter will be login and the admin login. After the register for the voter, my name is Shalu, and then enter for the female category, zone for south, and then Aadhaar number for and password is a Shalu one register. So we get that ID, voter ID. After go to the home page, voter login 10023. Enter the password.